What a meat. Look at that. A beautiful, healthy little pinky, but has to go back, obviously. Oh, Queenie. Up she comes. Nice, Queenie. Big Sambo, another one. Big dog. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, yum.
Look at that, Joey. Yes. Oh no, what do you got?
Baker boy.
Baker boy. Hey, bait.
That's mine. He's got my jig in it.
You got your jig back. How's that for lucky? And that's how you got your jig back. Lucky Raymond.
Shut up and sit down.
Good morning, people.
Fine eyes losers. Awesome.
I think we've got a bit of a problem here this morning.
Have a look at the boat.
Yeah, I think we're stuck.
Should have come that way. Oh my God.
And I thought we're going fishing this morning, but apparently we've got a bit of a delay.
Well, that's, a different start to the day. Well, that was fun. Not. I'm here with Ramondo, J-Dog, just getting set up for our trip near the shelf. So it's going to be about an hour and a half, 2 hours, something like that to get there. I need you to check because here we come. We're going to go and see what we can get today. All right, guys, see you soon. Ramondo.
Yes, sir.
Looks beautiful.
It is absolutely.
It's like fishing in motion. Oh, what happened? Raymond? Snapped. Oh, what would you expect to use a whiting swivel? Hmm? Are you going to put that whiting rod away and get a decent one out? You upgraded to the broomstick and hopefully you'll get it in. Not as big as the last one though, but you know, bigger rod but smaller fish, but hopefully we'll get it in.
We'll hope.
Hopefully. Alright, let's see.
We need meat.
Here's some meat. You finally got one.
First Jewy on jig.
It's what, sorry?
First Jewy on jig.
Your first Jewy on jig.
On the
Oh,
jig.
congratulations, mate. Woo! Alright, yes. Alright. Nice Jewy. 15 metres away. Moment of truth. Oh, big nanny. Look at the size of that. Look at that nanny. And it fell out. Oh, shit. Look at the size of that. Raymond said there was nannies down there. Oh, yes.
Not bad.
Woo.
Not bad, Jack.
Yeah. What a meat. Look at that. Little quiet achiever over there.
Nanny, I think.
Nanny, beautiful. Everyone loves nannies. Everyone loves Raymond too. Hey, you just lost it. Oh, for.
I've got mine.
You won. There's action everywhere. Can't even fish myself. All right, we'll see what this is.
Nanny?
That's what the last call was. It was a Queenie, so we'll see. Yeah, we had to put it back anyway. Jaden fishes for the future all the time at the moment. Blunt hooks? Yeah. All right, let's see what Raymond's got to say. A beautiful, healthy little pinky, but it has to go back, obviously. So he's too small. Back to grow up. Get big, get doing mama. Mama. I reckon, Sambo. What do you got, mate?
Not so sure.
What do you reckon, pinky?
Pinky or something.
Oh, Queenie. Oh. There it comes. Landing deck. Up she comes. And over. Nice, Queenie. Woohoo! Jaden, you having fun, mate?
Oh, yeah.
What do you got? Another Sambo. Yeah. This rod is bending like a banana. Look at it. It's making you yodel, boy. Big Sambo, another one. How's your arms, brother?
So,
There's a big dog, look at him. Woo! Hey, wait. Look at him. Big dog. Hey, Ramondo, what have we got, Ramondo?
we got the jewfish.
We're gonna look at that, Joey.
Jumping jack Jew.
Hold him up, hold him up, hold him up. Yes! do you got, Jay? None, you reckon? Colour. There goes, you might be right, Nanny. Nice Nanny. Very nice Nanny. Awesome, Yellowtail King. Get that net, get that net. Yes! Yes!
Yeah, baby. Another
Yum!
Oh, hold up.
Oh, beautiful.
Another fish off my bucket list.
That's it.
Cars.
Hey, breaksea cod. Breaksea cod. Cod. Now, I don't know what happened, but anyway, we got a couple of little pinkies. Bit more meat. There's another species. Awesome. Ramondo!
Yes,
You're on. What do you got there, sunshine?
feels like pinky.
Pinky. Jaden, when you were on? You lost it. Jaden, did you lose it? Sun Tabalon. Alright. Oh no, what do you got?
Baker boy.
Baker boy. Hey? Bait. Are you tired yet, buddy?
I was just about to, I was going to change my jig. And then
boom!
whatever this guy was.
El Grande. Oh shit.
Not happy.
Well. Looks like you got a bit of a fight in your hands there. We're starting to get a little bit quiet and then bang. Well, you're making some ground on it, so it can't be. Might be a nice big Jewy, You said you wanted a Jewy.
No, he was in about 20
Oh,
minutes.
Jaden just won too. This is running hot. J-Dog, what do you got, bud?
Alright, a little.
Only little. Oh, you're so strong.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we'll see what that is soon. Raymond.
Line against line. Doesn't work well.
15 minutes. Oh, I think he's picked it up on the way down. I got that on camera too.
Really? Sambo's looking
Sambo looking straight at you. That's fine. He's got my jig in it.
Has that?
Yes, he has.
He has. He's got your jig in there.
Just give me some line.
You got your jig back. Hey? How's that for lucky?
I got him if you want.
How's that for lucky, right? There's your jig there, look.
And where are you?
I'm still the one.
You spilled the bottom.
Oh, so your line got caught up in it.
Yeah.
Oh, he just tail wrapped it.
Yes.
Oh, shit. And that's how you got your jig back. Ha! Alrighty. We gotta sort this out. Lucky Raymond. Well, guys, we're back in. Got the boat up. So, thanks for watching, guys. And we'll see you in the next episode. Take care. Until then, stay safe. Happy fishing, guys.